Hi guys, this is a Hot Wheels 164 Porsche 911 GT3. I'll be converting this car into an RC using 3D printed chassis. To take this car apart, I'm using a 164 size drill bit. I'm using a free software called SketchUp to design the chassis, and printed the designs using the Anchor Make 3D printer. This is the main body for the electronic parts, a cover for the DC motor. This is the front wheel steering axles. This bracket will keep the front wheels in place. This is like the sway bar that connects the two front wheels. And this piece is the connection between the sway bar and the steering servo. For electronic parts, I'm using the Radio Link R4 FGM receiver, a dual DC motor shaft, a 3.7 volt 100 amp LiPo battery, a disc micro ESC, a 3 pins on-off switch, a 1.7 gram servo, and 2 bearings with 6mm outside and 3mm inside. The bearing wheel goes into the front wheels. And I'll be using screws to put everything together. If you want the same parts, I'll leave it in the descriptions below. This is just a brief video about the wiring. If you want to see more, just leave the comment below and I can make another video for you.